Everyone, please check your audio and video. Everyone, please check your audio and video. All good? Okay. I hope you remember other day we developed one Spring Boot application, Spring Boot MVC application on which enables security. Yeah, this one. Let's have a look on this. Yeah. Yeah, in that application, we are using basic authentication. Basic authentication means what? The browser will generate dialog box asking username, password, and in-memory DB. That means the database, the username, password, and roles will be saved in the JVM memory. Right. What are the username passwords we have taken, guys? Go to config class, security config. Yeah, these are the username passwords. Rajesh, Suresh, Mahesh, Nayak. These are the passwords. These are the roles. Clerk manager, salesman. Okay. Home page permit all. Slash means home page permit all. Offers only authentication is required for getting the balance. Clerk or manager role is required along with authentication. For approval of role, manager role is required. So this HTTP basic means what? We are looking for basic authentication. Yeah, let it be, guys. Now, let's run it once again. You will get idea what you have seen last class. Run on server. Yeah, Tomcat 9 I have to select. Yeah, I'm conducting class from village, guys. So little network problems will be there. Please cooperate. Right. Yeah, home page permit all, guys. Yeah, you get show offers. Okay, so for offers, authentication is enough. Anything is okay. Right. Suresh Suri. Suresh is the username. Suri is the password. Click on sign in. Office page has come now, boss. Oh. Show balance. Show balance along with authentication. What role is required, guys? Clerk or manager. Suri is having which role? Sorry, Suresh is having which role? Manager role. Okay, fine. He can get the offer now, boss. Sorry, he can get the balance. Yes, he got the balance. Approve loan. What is there? Approve loan. Only manager. Yes, Suresh is having manager role. He is getting this. Okay. Suppose, for example, if authentication is successful, but authorization is not there. Let's see that. Then you will get 403 error, right? Here is the home page. Here is the home page. No, I'll stop this. I'll stop the application. Let's start the. Right click, run on server, guys. Tomcat 9. Yeah, Tomcat 9. This is the server, guys. Yeah, this is all. Okay, I will try to use that role who is having clerk role only. Who is having clerk role. Otherwise, Nayak will take, guys. Show balance. Nayak is a salesman. You don't have any privilege to see the balance. Nayak. Password is also Nayak. Click on sign in. We are getting 403, guys. But this 403 is coming as a default error page. I don't like this error page. I want to get my custom page. I want to get my custom error page. When authorization is failed, when authentication is failed, it is again showing the dialog box asking username password. So I'm interested to have my own choice page, guys. Okay, let me open that reference document. Here is the paint. Okay, Spring. Here are our common topics. Here is Spring Security. First example application. Yeah, check it out, guys. And HTTP basic. Here, what is there? And exception handling. Access denied slash denied. Access denied slash denied. And we have to add one handler method having slash denied. This request path based handler method of controller class executes to display the error page for authorization failure. Do following operation to configure custom error page for 403. Number one, add handler method in controller class having request path slash denied. Okay, that's one thing. And you are taking one more logical view name there, guys. Return authorization failed, and you have to develop authorization failed.js. Authorization failed.jsp. But first of all, I have to say, whenever authorization failed, where the control should go to. The control should go to what? That request path whose action path is slash denied. Okay, that's good. Yeah, tell me here. And basic. And what is there, guys? And exception handling dot access denied page. Access denied page. Right, it can be anything, guys. Access denied page slash denied. Let's go to controller class, guys. Let's go to controller class. Public string. Public string access denied. Yeah, here what is there? Get the rate get mapping slash denied. get mapping slash deny. Return logical union. Return authorization phase. Authorization phase. Okay, this based on this logical name, we have to develop authorization denied page or not there. Based on this logical view name, I have to develop authorization denied page. That's good. So go to this place, SRC, main, web app, WebINF, pages, new JSP file. What is this? Access underscore denied dot JSP. Access underscore denied dot JSP. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. ECL ignored is equal to false. Yeah, here I just want to write error message. H1 style. Color colon red. Text type aligns. Authorization field. Authorization field. Again, I'm providing one home hyperlink. Let's see. Whenever authorization is failed, this page is executing or not. And you need not to do anything from scratch level, guys. Already ready-made templates are there. You have to just provide inputs. See, this is the magic one. What is the magic one? Whenever authorization failed, instead of displaying white label page, you try to execute the web page that is there in this request path. So by taking this as a request path, I developed one handler method. Returning logical view name. Having that logical view name, I developed one JSP page or not. Say something, guys. Come on. Authentication denied, authorization denied. Let me check. What is the one I have taken? Access denied .jsp. No, what is? I think we have done mistake here. Oh, authorization failed. JSP should be what? Authorization failed .jsp. Okay, authorization failed .jsp. Authorization failed .jsp. Right click, run on server, Tomcat 9, say next, say finish. Okay, now I want to make sure that Nayak is usable. Authorization. Okay, let me close this window. Right click, run on server, Tomcat 9, guys. Let's go ahead and finish. Show balance. Nayak. Nayak is having salesman. Salesman is not allowed to see the password. Authorization failed is coming or not? Authorization is failed coming or not? Then are we getting the default error page or customer error page? So definitely we are getting customer error page, not the default error page. Is it interesting or not? Yeah. Okay, but for asking username, listen guys, the basic mode of authentication is giving me what? Browser generated dialog box. Is it user friendly? Is it good appearance wise? No. So I want to use form page for gathering username password. So that's why first I try to understand what are the limitations of basic mode of authentication. Limitations of basic mode of authentication. Number one problem. The dialog box asking username password is browser specific dialog box and it cannot be customized. Are you really happy? Are you really happy? The dialog box that is used to ask username password, guys. Are you really happy with the username, the dialog box that is used for asking username password, my dear? Definitely not, right? Does not allow to add following feature. Log out, remember me, session max count. There are. I want to provide logout option. How Gmail is giving sign in and sign out option. I want to have a sign logout option. Remember me, a checkbox to ask remember username password. Session action count. Or if same user is logged in for 2-3 times, if it is touching maximum count, I want to stop allowing further login. To overcome all these problems, we have to go for what? Form login. In form login, form page will come asking username password. In form login, definitely we will get what? Form page asking what? Username and password, guys. Okay. See, and HTTP basic gives basic mode of authentication. And form login gives what? Form mode of authentication. We can use ready-made forms or custom forms. Yeah, you by default you will get ready-made form, guys. If you are interested, you can go for custom form. Okay, now let's see. Instead of end basic mode of authentication, I will go for this. Go to security config class here, guys. Go to security config class. Instead of this one, I will put what? And form is form login. Yeah, it will start asking, it will start projecting on default form page asking username password. Asking what? Username password. It will ask username password, right? Yes. Yeah, let's see whether it is showing form page or not. Whether it is showing form page or not. Okay. Right click, run on server. Tomcat 9, guys. Finish. Show balance. Okay, I think I have to close the browser. One. Let me try by closing browser. Show balance. See, it is purely showing form page numbers. Earlier we used to get dialog box asking username password, but this time it's purely asking or showing what? Dialog box asking username password. Okay, now let me type. What are the username passwords, guys? What are the username? Rajesh Rani. Rajesh is username, Rani is the password. Click on sign in button. Yes, we are getting balance amount. Offer space authentication is enough. Approval on clerk is not enough, guys. We need what? Clerk is not enough. We definitely need what? Manager role. That's why authorization failed message is coming or not. That's why authorization failed message is coming or not there. Did you notice it? So we are working with the dialog box or we are working with form page for asking username password. We are definitely working what? We are definitely working with what? Form page asking username and password. I hope you enjoyed it. You understood the form based authentication nicely, guys. Okay. So, but in form based authentication, we can add some additional features. We can add some additional features like logout kind of thing. 1 minute. I'll show logout kind of thing. Yeah, end logout. What is there, guys? End logout. And once you log out means like how we got Gmail as logging out of our session, boss. Logging out from the session, right? Wait a minute. Let's see end logout. Yeah, here I put end logout. Okay. We have taken what? End logout. That's great. Hmm. Here simply I have taken what? End logout. Hmm. You will get logout option. You will definitely get what? Logout option. But yeah, but logout option is there, that's fine. But we have to enjoy that option by clicking on hyperlink or button, right? So what I do is I'll go to every page. I'll go to what? Every page. There I will try to put the logout option, guys. Yeah, go to this place. Show underscore offers.jsp here along with the home page. I'll provide the logout button. Ahref, what is there? Logout. Logout. Yeah, this logout is the fixed URL. This logout is the fixed URL, guys. This logout is the fixed URL because when you take logout is the fixed URL that to activate that logout option. To activate that logout option, that is a fixed URL that we have to use. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah, let me add this logout in every page. Okay, guys. Show underscore balance. Say paste. Loan underscore approve. Save this. Yeah, now let me run this application. Run on server. Tomcat 9. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Yeah. Now listen. Asking you, Raja. I think in security config, what is there we have, guys? Rajesh Rani. One side Rajesh, other side what? Click on sign in button. Yeah. Now listen, guys. There is option of uh, there is option of log out now, guys. Yes. Are you sure you want to log out? See guys, signed out. Now we can log with other username. Earlier what we did, if you want to see browser forgetting certain username password that is already logged in, we have closed the browser. But now that is not required, guys. We have a logout option. Same thing in Gmail also, my dear. Same story in Gmail also, right? The same story continues in Gmail also. Once you sign out, you can log in with a different username password or not there. Okay, now I am trying to log in with the Nayak, guys. Check it out. Nayak and other one is what? Nayak. Click on sign in button. Yes. Show balance. Balance is not there. Show offers. Offers are coming. Approve loan. Authorization is failed. So you want to log out, guys? Yes. You want to log out, you can log out. Offers, yes, log out. So this logout option is coming or not there. See, big features are coming just with the small coding now, boss. Did you really enjoy that one or not? These are really big features, but they are coming just like that. Did you notice that? And if in Servlet JSP to implement this, you have to put lot of logic, guys. But here, you just calling method, and features are coming just like that or not. The features are coming just like that or not there, guys. That's good. Yeah. Now listen, I'll show one more thing, guys. I want to restrict number of logins for user. Did you ever see in Amazon Prime or Netflix? They will give device limit now, boss. They definitely give number of device limit or not. They definitely give number of device limit or not. Yes, we can bring same effect here, boss. See? And session management, maximum sessions to max session prevent login true. Okay, what's the meaning of that? Allow each user to log in max 2 times at a time. Allow each user to log in max 2 times at a time. If you try to log in more than 2 times, it should throw error. Definitely it should throw error, guys. Definitely it should throw error, right? Okay, now let's see. Let me implement that, guys. Here, where is this? And session management dot. Is that session management dot maximum sessions? I want to allow only two sessions per user, 2 sessions per user, 2 sessions. That's good. Okay, per user, 2 sessions. Max sessions prevent login. Max session prevent login true. Okay. Maybe I have to put this one at the end, guys. Let me put this semicolon. That's right. Yeah. If any user try to log in more than 2 times from different browser windows, it should throw error, guys. It must throw error. That's another improvisation I have done. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's run the application here. Run on server, Tomcat 9, say next, say finish. Run on server, Tomcat 9, say next, say finish. Okay, show balance. Okay, asking username, password. I'm taking Nayak one time. Nayak. One more time. Click on sign in button. Okay, authorization failed. That's a different story. Okay. Now I'm taking one more window. Mozilla Firefox. Yeah, show balance. Here also I'm putting Nayak. Okay, authorization failed. That means it's taking things. Now I'm taking Internet Explorer Edge, guys. 2.x, show balance. Already two logins are completed. Please mind. Already two logins are completed. What do you say, guys? Okay, now let me go for third login with the same username, password, Nayak. With the same username, password, Nayak. Yeah. So let's see, guys. One more time, I am taking Nayak. Click on sign in. See, guys, maximum sessions of two for this principal. Principal means user. For this principal has completed or not. For this principal are completed or not there, guys. Come on. For this principal are completed. Are you getting my point there, guys? Understanding my statement, guys? Maximum principal means here username. Principal means what is there? Username. Are you getting my point? Okay, that's good. So this is a various option that we have, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See, big options are coming just like that are not there. Big options are coming just like that are not there, guys. Fine. Okay. Right, boss. Now let's see more options with respect to this. Yeah. What do you mean by more option? We are using in-memory DB, Raghav. I don't want to use in-memory DB. I want to use a database software having username, passwords. I want to use a number of things. But before that, So while configuring this one, we have some patterns to use, guys. Let me introduce those patterns. While writing these URLs and other things, so we have a patterns to follow. Let's try understanding those patterns. Ant matchers in Spring Boot security. These ant matchers are used to map a request path with permit all, has a role, has a role, has any role, this kind of thing, right? Has a role, has any role kind of thing. So they are called ant matchers. And if you observe very carefully, somewhere here also we used ant matchers, right? Ant matcher is some kind of regular expression, you can say. Some kind of regular expressions, you can say. Check it out. In Spring Boot security application, every URL, nothing but request path of handler method must be configured with what? Security using permit all or authenticated or has role or has any role. For this, we need to use ant matcher concept in security config class. Check it out. Here is the story. Check it out. Here is the story, guys. Here, what is there? The global path is customer. This is global path. Register, delete, update. This is the method path 1, method path 2, and this is method path 3. This is method path 1, method path 2, method path 3, right? Okay. Method path 1, method path 2, method path 3. To match with multi-level path, we can give what? Slash path star star, like slash customer star star in ant matcher. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. To match with multi-level path star slash star in ant matcher. Multiple path like listen, guys. When I say slash customer star star, it will match what? Customer register, customer delete, customer update, customer register ABC, customer update any type. So when I say customer star star, okay, it will match everything that begins with customer, guys. It will match everything that begins with what? Customer. Okay, see the example. Ant matcher customer star star has role manager. Only manager role authenticated user can access web page whose URL start with class customer contains multi-path. And they can be one level path or multiple path, guys. And I'm just giving idea how best we can. I'm just giving idea how best we can write these request path in ant matches. I hope you are getting idea on this, guys. Come on. Customer register delete update. Okay. Case 2. Ant matcher for single level path. Okay, here what is there? First method register customer, second method register product, third method register faculty. But what is the common word? Register is the common word. How can you write ant matcher for that? Ant matcher register star. What is there? Register star. Ant matcher what, guys? Register star. So register star means what? There can be register customer, register product, register faculty, right? So register star means it will match with what? Register customer, register product, and register faculty. So all three options are there or not there. That's good. Multiple URLs can be given in single ant-matcher expression. In single ant-matcher expression, you can give multiple URL. That's one more option we are having, guys. That's one more option we are having, right? Ant-matcher slash save has role manager. Ant-matcher slash update has role manager. Ant-matcher slash delete has role manager. Instead of writing 3 lines, you can write like this. Ant matcher, save comma, update comma, delete has role manager. I hope you are understanding, guys. Instead of writing 3 separate lines, you can write in a single line. In single line only multiple request path can be placed and you can mention the role. Okay. Guys, I think you are understanding what I'm trying to deliver here. How best we can write those request path mappings. Those request path mappings, guys, right? Yeah. Now listen. Leftover request URL can be identified mapped using any request expression. Suppose you have a 10 URLs. In that one, 8 URLs you configured with one or other role for authentication or for authorization. But you want to represent remaining 2 URLs. You want to represent the remaining 2 URLs. Then you can take the expression called any request. You can definitely use what? An expression called what? Any request. You can definitely take an expression called what? Any request. Is that clear, my dear? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's assume we are having multiple requests to URL like this. Save is there, update, delete, report, upload, download, paging, info about us. Okay, total how many are there? Here how many? 5. Here what? 4. Total 9 are there. As per mine, no. 4 plus 4, 8 are there. Okay, now listen. Save update has role customer, 2 gone. Report, upload, download has role manager, another 3 gone. Out of it, how many gone, guys? 5 gone. Okay, any request authenticated. What are the leftover things? What are the leftover things? Paging, about us, and info. Okay, so any request now represent leftover URLs or not? Here, any request represent what? The leftover URLs. What do you say, guys? Yeah, that's the purpose of any request. Nothing is. That's the real purpose of what? Any request. I hope you understood this. Yeah. So these are the various practices that can be used towards. These are the various practices that can be used towards what? Ant matching. Okay. Now that's good. Sir, if register star taking all request parameter after this register star. Register start single level matching. Register star means single level plus any multiple path. If any multiple paths are there with slash. Priya madam. Register single star match single level. Single register star matches multiple level. See, register slash create, register slash update, that also will match. But register single star will match what? Register customer, register product, no slash. I hope you understand it. Okay, I'll clarify your doubt more clearly. Check it out here. Customer star means customer slash register, customer slash update. They are multi-level numbers. They are multi-level. So not only just customer, even multiple levels are there. Yeah, they are matched. Here single level matching you observe. Slash register star. slash register star. Yeah, it won't match multiple levels. It won't match register plus same thing in same level, single level matching. That's the difference. Pahad, there's no need of taking any website, all this stuff, right? It's all about assumption. It's purely about assumptions. Please. These are assumptions, like regular expressions kind of thing. Star means all matching, this kind of thing. Pahad, there's no rocket science, my dear. I don't know why are you confusing. First focus, first focus. Customer star means customer should be there. After that, in multiple levels, anything can be there. Customer slash X, customer slash Y, customer slash Z. Not only two levels, three levels, anything can be there. Here, customer star means here register star. Single star means same level match, single level matching. Star means multi-level matching. Star means what? Multi-level matching. Okay. I'll put in another way. I'll put in another way since people are feeling heavy. Suppose I have multiple URLs like this, guys. Register product. Register student. Register custom. But I want to apply same security for all these three URLs. Then what should I do? Instead of writing like this, you simply write what? Okay, slash register star. That's it. This will represent all the three things or not? This will represent all the three things. Single level only. Okay. Let us assume we have this. We have this. Let us assume we have this single level. Suppose we got URLs like this. Register slash product. Register slash customer. Register slash student. Or student slash school. Something like this. You want to match all of them with a single URL. What do you have to do? You have to simply write slash register star. Single star means within single level, anything can be there. Star means within the single level, multiple level, anything can be there. Okay, here level means this slash is the level separator. This slash is the level separator. Fahad, I think now you got it. Fahad. Okay, that's great. Maybe focus, guys. It happens. Right. Okay, now look at. Yeah. Now observe, guys. If you observe, if you look at the security config class, I'm passing password, but I am writing no op na boss. So that means what? I'm using no operation encoder. No operation encoder for encoding password. No operation encoder for encoding password. Now listen. No, sir, I want to keep really encoded password. Yeah, we have a lot of encoders to encode the password. Yes. We have multiple encoders in the market to encode the password. So let us take one of them and let us put encoded password in our application. Let's see. Yeah, no op password indicate password is not encoded. Indirectly, it says no op encoder is used to encode the password. Initially, Spring Security used to allow not encoded password. Later, it stopped allowing them. So to pass non-encoded password, use no op. Array, we cannot pass password directly. You have to always pass password as a. We should always pass password as what, guys? Come on. No op. If you don't want to encode it. No, sir. If you want to pass encoded password, we have these are the encoders we have. Bcrypt encoder, base64 encoder, SH5 encoder, MD5 encoder. Like this, multiple encoders are there or not there? Like this, multiple encoders are there or not there? Okay, bcrypt encoder is good. Bcrypt encoder is good. If you don't use no-op expression based no-op encoder, then we need to pass encoded password. Okay, now I would like to encode the password and I want to pass them this. I would like to encode the password and I want to pass them. Okay, now let's see what I'm going to do here. I'll get the encoded password by developing separate main class application. Okay, fine. Here I will take one package. Only to run this code and to get the encoded passwords. Here is the package, guys. com.nt dot some main something, guys. Don't worry. This is a separate package and don't disturb this. New class PWD encoder. What is that? Password encoder. Here is what? Main method. That's correct. PWD encoder, password encoder. Yeah, tell me. Decrypt password encoder is equal to new bcrypt password encoder. Bcrypt password encoder is equal to new bcrypt password encoder. Understand the statement, guys? Everyone. Yeah, tell me, guys. Here, what is string password one is equal to encoder dot encode. Encoder dot encode. string. And I'll get an encoded password and I'll replace the existing password, guys. This is the plan. Yeah, what are the passwords, guys? What are the passwords? Rani Shuri, Resh Nayak. Are encoded password improves the secrecy of the password or not? Nothing is there. Rani, PWD2. Rani Shuri. Yeah, then what is there? Nayak. What is there, guys? System dot out dot println pwd1 pwd1. Let me print all the passwords. Here is what pwd2, pw3, pwd4. Total 4 passwords that we are printing. Total how many passwords, guys? 4 passwords that we are printing over here. That's good. Yeah, that's great. Now let's see. No. See, we don't run a whole application. We just run this one, and that's it. This is only to run. And we run this one independently. It's nowhere related to existing application. It's nowhere related to existing application. We run this one independently, only to get the encoded passwords. Don't think much. Run as Java application. Yeah. We got 4 encoded passwords now, guys. Yeah. Copy them. Go to security config. Go to security config. First comment them. Copy this, paste it. Yeah, copy this, paste it. Yeah, here is my yeah. Let me paste the passwords. Let me get the password again. Let me paste the password. Not this, guys. Where is the password console? Here. Go on. Fine. We'll run it again. Say paste. Cut it. Paste. Cut it. Paste. Yeah. We have pasted was. But we have to tell to this application. Come on. Encoded means it's like encoded means what? Zigzag kind of thing. Okay. Encoded means zigzag kind of thing, right? secret kind of thing, guys. No one can predict the password. From the big list, anyone can predict the password? That is called encoded numbers. Yeah, that's what. Encoded means that is converted into other form. That is converted to what? Another form. So that no one can read it, no one can guess it. Like that is called encoded, right? Okay, fine. The thing is, you mentioned password, that's good, encoded, but are you telling which encoder you have used it for that encoded password? So that's why what we have to do, you have to tell, okay, here before putting this password, you have to tell, I have used bcrypt encoder. I have used bcrypt encoder for encoding purpose, right? Yes. So what is this? Here, dot password encoder of new bcrypt encoder bcrypt password encoder dot what is that with user password. That's good. And same thing I have to repeat for all other 4 users now, guys. Copy this, paste it. With user Suresh. With user Mahesh. With the user Nanak. Yeah. We are telling, okay, not only this is encoded password, and I have used bcrypt password encoder for that encoder. I'm telling that I have used what? Bcrypt password encoder for that encoding. So that's a clear message that I am passing. Okay, that's good. Yeah, now let's see. Whether it is recognizing that one or encoded password generation will different. How many times we run the same class? No, no, because no. Only to get the encoded password, we have run the application. Once you got encoded password, you are pasting that. If you don't want to create object for same thing, bcrypt encoder, do one thing. You make it as a Spring Bean using @bean method and you pass the object every time. Right? This Yeah, that's good. Okay, now let's run the application, guys. Yeah, I came back, guys. Some network glitch. Let's run the application. Let's run the application on server. Run on server, Tomcat 9, say next, save. Show balance. Yeah. Okay. Rajesh Rani. Okay. Actually, I'm passing Rani only, not the original one, not the encoded one. Sign. We're getting balance page or not. That means it's working or not working. Encoded passwords are working or not working. Once again, check it out. Nayak Nayak. Nayak is the username, Nayak is the password. Click on sign in. We're getting it or not there. Show balance, yes. Show offers coming. So that means we are able to work with encoded passwords or not there. Come on, guys. Yes, boss. This is how we have to pass encoded password. If you don't want to pass encoded password, you want to pass direct password, no API is compulsory. If you want to pass encoded password, you have to specify encoder name. You must and should specify encoder name, no doubt. You compulsory should specify what? Encoder name, no second thought in that. Compulsorily, you should specify what? Encoder name, no second thought in that. Right, guys? Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. B encoder converted plain text into password. No, no. Already direct password is there. It has become encoded password. Another format password. B encrypted password is encoder that converted. Array, see, simple password, it has converted into secret word, guys. So that no one can guess it. That no one can guess it, right? Okay, that's fine. Okay, now tell sir how to disable one user for temporarily, or how to log the user while working with in-memory DB. How to log the user while working with in-memory DB. Super. Roles customer account locked is equal to true. That means temporarily that user will not work, guys. Suppose I found Nayak user is having some issues, guys. I want to lock him for temporarily. Account locked is equal to true. Account locked is equal to true. After keeping that, you have to keep the semicolon. Account locked is equal to true. So that's good. Yeah, it will lock the account, guys. It will definitely lock the account. Check it out. You stop the application, you run the application again, run on server, guys. Tomcat 9, say next, save. Say next to save. Show balance. Okay, you type Nayak. You type Nayak. Click on sign. See, user account is locked or not. We're able to lock the user on temporary basis. What do you say, guys? You're able to lock the user on temporary basis or not? Okay. Sir, do I need to encode password manually like this? No, actually not. Array, listen. User registration form will be there now, guys. What will be there, guys? User registration form will be there. Okay. As part of registration, we will ask username, password to choose, and other details. Before, okay, they will be received to application. Application try to save them in database table. Before saving them in database table, what we do is we take the original password chosen by end user. We use one or other encoder to convert the normal password into encoded password. Then we save in the DB table. So that's why don't think that this kind of manual work will be there in real time. No. During the user registration itself, for example, you take Gmail ID registration, guys. So there what you do, you choose email ID, there you choose password. You choose plain normal text as a password, right? But do you think Gmail people will save your password as it is in the database table? No. They will encode and save in the database software. They will encode and they save in what? Database software. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Yeah, see this? Do I need to encode the password manually as shown above in real projects? Definitely not. As part of user registration logic, we include having our choice encoder to get encoded password for the given password, and they will be saved to DB table. And they will be saved to what? DB table. Right. Definitely not. As part of user registration logic, we include hmm, include having our choice encoder to get encoded password for the given password, and they will be saved to what? DB table. So as part of user registration, this process will be taken care internally. That is what I am trying to explain. That is what I am trying to explain, nothing else. Right. Okay. Fine, guys. Okay. As part of Spring Boot 2.x security, one more is left. Okay, that is taking database software as authentication info provider. I don't want to save, I don't want to use in-memory DB. I want to use real database software like Oracle MySQL as what? Authentication info provider. That's one topic. And the same setup I want to show in Spring Boot 3.x. Same setup of password security I want to show in Spring Boot 3.x. Okay, that part I will take up when we meet in what? Next class. So tomorrow at what time we have a session, guys? Tomorrow at what time we have a session? Please tell me. 7:15 a.m. Tomorrow at what time we have a session? 7:15 a.m. Using what link? Common topics link only. What are the topics left? Security in Spring Boot 3.x. That is number one. Number two, security in Spring Boot 3.x. Number two, and how to use a database software as what? Authentication. Okay. Shabazz, OAuth and JWT are separate topics. We will discuss later. They are extension of Spring Security. They are separate topics. We will discuss them. Okay. No, right now we are using 2.x version. I am giving 3 point. Today 7 p.m. no class, guys. 7 p.m. no class. 7 p.m. no class. Tomorrow 7:15 a.m. we have a class. Thank you. You can start leaving the meeting.